In this video, I'm talking about how to do a character hit. So a ninja star is going to come down. It's going to hit him in his foot. When that happens, the ninja star is going to be destroyed. But the ninja star is also going to come down and hit his leg. When it hits the leg, it's going to destroy the ninja star as well as the character. So I want precise hit. I want a certain location where he's able to kick and it's going to destroy the ninja star. But I don't want the whole character to be able to destroy the ninja star. I just want a certain location. So I'll show you the demo here and then I'll go into detail about it. Let me try it again. I think it went kind of quick. Comes down, destroys it, and destroys him. So this is how I did it. So in the foot, went into the edit and made sure to go modify mask, make sure it's only going to be in this location right here where the ninja star is going to hit the foot. This is going to be clear, so when the ninja star comes down, it's going to go past this clear spot and hit the blue foot location and destroy the ninja star. So I want precise. And the origin is at X0, Y is at 0. Alright, so when the ninja star comes down, it's going to change to got hit. So got hit is going to be where it destroys the ninja star. So went to add event, went to the create, then dragged over a alarm and set it to number of steps at 5, alarm at 0. Then went to add event, went to the alarm 0, it's got to match, alarm 0, and number of steps 5 milliseconds pretty much. And then I have destroy self, so it's going to destroy the got hit ninja star after it's exploded at 5 milliseconds, and it's going to be destroyed. Alright, and then also I dragged over a move where it's going to stop. So when you hit the ninja star, it's going to be exploded, and at the same time it's not going to move, and it's at 0 speed. Then on the person, where he's not kicking yet, it's going to be pretty much precise, the whole thing. So the ninja star will come down and hit his leg, and then he'll be destroyed. You don't want to do rectangle, because see what's going to happen is when the ninja star comes down and hits this rectangle here, then he'll be destroyed. You don't want that to happen. You want to make sure it's precise. So I made it precise. So when it comes down, it's going to come all the way down here and hit his leg and get destroyed. If you set it to rectangle or circle or diamond, it's going to be this location where he's going to get hit and then he'll die, and that won't look right. So you want to make sure it's precise. Okay. So with this person, I went to add event, did a create, and then I dragged over a alarm, set it to 10 milliseconds, alarm 0, and then grabbed another alarm 0 from that event, brung over alarm to match alarm 0, same number of steps, 10 milliseconds, and then it's going to switch character to the person next. The person next is where he's going to kick. So if he doesn't kick, or he does kick, the weapon's still going to be, it's going to destroy the person as well as destroy other, which means the ninja star. So the first is self, which means the character is going to be destroyed, and then it's going to be the second destroy is going to be for the ninja star. It's going to say destroy other. You probably could potentially say object and put in ninja star, but I would say other. That way, if you have other ninja stars in the room, that they won't be destroyed at the same time. So make sure you set it to other. Alright, so then after 10 milliseconds, it's going to jump to the person next, which he's going to actually kick. And then the ninja star will still come down and hit this character, even though his foot stuck out. The ninja star is going to come down and it's going to hit his leg and he'll be destroyed, because he's still vulnerable right here. Where he's not vulnerable is where his foot's going to be at. But this whole image, he will be vulnerable for getting attacked by the ninja star. Again, it's all precise. You don't want rectangle, because if it hits right here in this rectangle, he will be destroyed. Make sure he's set to precise. Okay, so he still will be vulnerable and getting killed right here in this image, as well as the first image where he doesn't kick. Okay, so if he gets hit by the ninja star, he will be killed. But this is, and then same scenario, it's going to destroy the self, which is the person X, as well as it's going to destroy other, which is the ninja star. Okay, so the difference is, in the person next, where he has his legs stuck out, okay, the legs stuck out, I have a crate. So I went to add event, grabbed a crate, then I went over here and grabbed this object, which is called crate instance. Okay, so I set it up for the foot, and the location is at X is at 360, the Y is 155, and it's set to relative. So basically, this is setting where the foot's going to be located at on the character. So when the character kicks, this crate instance will be on the foot. It's positioned exactly on the foot, and I will show you what I'm talking about. Right now I have set to not visible, but it's visible now, and so you'll see what I'm talking about. See, right there, see? It's on the foot. The blue foot is on the actual foot of the character. So, like I said, if the ninja star hits that blue foot, you'll be destroyed, but not the character. So that's what I'm getting at here. So, and also, it also needs to be destroyed. See, so the weapon once it hits that blue foot, it will get hit and be destroyed. And also, you need to destroy the instance of the foot after you destroy the weapon, because you don't want it to show up at the same location. Yeah, see how that went away? So you want to create an instance where it's going to show the blue foot destroying the ninja stars, and then you want the blue foot to go away after that. You don't want it to. You don't want the blue foot to still stay there on screen, because any other weapon that comes in contact with that blue foot, it will be destroyed. And it doesn't make sense because you're not in that location anymore. You moved to a different location. That blue foot's still in there, stuck in that one position, and it's going to be just whatever weapon that hits that blue foot. When you're nowhere around it, it's going to be destroyed. So you want to make sure you destroy the foot after the weapon hits the foot. The weapon is destroyed, as well as you destroy the foot too at that instance. And then when you kick again, then the instance will pop back up again. So create an instance means that it will show up for that instance when you press the kick button, destroy the weapon, and also destroy the foot. And then when you kick again, it will show that blue foot again, and then destroy the instance of the blue foot, as well as destroy the weapon. So you want that to happen. That's how you want it set up. You don't want it set up where it shows a blue foot and then it stays there. Even though it's invisible, you don't want it to be there, because you don't want the weapon to hit in in midair and destroy that item when you're no longer there in that location. So you got to make sure you destroy that foot. Alright, and so that will work for when you are wanting to punch or kick or have a weapon in your hand. You make a new object for that location where you want the sword at, where you want the foot at, or the fist at, and you just create a new object for that location. Make sure you line it up just right. So when he kicks, the location of that blue foot is going to be at 360 by 155. It lines up just around his foot area for the orange image when he kicks. So you gotta make sure you keep testing your image out, and you're lining the image up just right against the location where you want it to kick or punch at or swing your sword at. Make sure it's lined up exactly in the position where you want it at to strike the weapon at. And then, like I said, the foot, I have the depth at -5, and the character is at 0. And the weapon's at -1. So that's pretty much how you do. This is how you pretty much make it where you have a full image, and then you switch images to do like a kick or something, or a punch, or swing a sword, and then you make a new. You create an instance and overlap your main image with your weapon, and that weapon location is where the bad guy's weapon is going to hit that weapon location that you have, swing your sword or punch or kick, and it's going to destroy it for that instance. And it's also going to destroy your sword at that moment, that impact. But then it will reappear again when you swing the sword again. So you make sure you want to make the blue foot not visible. Okay, so it will destroy the weapon. You won't see that blue foot. And also destroy the blue foot at that instance as well, and it won't affect your character's health. It will destroy the weapon and destroy your foot, but it won't destroy the character itself, which is what you want, and your health bar will be salvaged. See what I'm talking about? So it destroys the blue foot as well as destroys the weapon, but it doesn't destroy yourself, because that's what you want in the game. You don't want to destroy yourself. Your health bar does not decrease when it hits that blue foot. You just saved your life pretty much. But if it hits somewhere else where you don't have the blue foot at, then you will be destroyed. You will die. You will lose health. So that's what I'm talking about in this game right here. So thanks for watching.